Well, welcome back. Weather-wise, we are looking at a nice stretch of weather to round out the week, at least through Thursday. By Friday, some rain chances, moderating temperatures. And then as we head into the weekend, it looks like a better chance of rain and some embedded storms as we get into Christmas Eve, perhaps sliding into early Christmas Day. We'll see how that works out. So let's take a look at the big picture as we look at the water vapor imagery here. And again, you can see what's going on with respect to an upper level low over by the west coast. This is the next weather maker, like a bowling ball rolling into the west, energizing the subtropical jet stream. It's all heading eastward. Now, we do have a little subtropical jetlet coming on through, and that's basically bringing in the high-level cirrus clouds that we saw late this afternoon, early this evening. Will stay with us for a good part of the night, but we should see a little bit in the way of sun tomorrow. But certainly we might start off the day a little bit more overcast, and then that sun will kind of push on through that, and a dull sun will get brighter as the afternoon wears on. It's pretty quiet across much of the U.S. West Coast, though, different story with the threat of heavy rainfall, snow at elevation, winter storm warnings for the Sierra Nevada. Up to 2 feet of snow expected here. Even the mountains as you go east of L.A. expecting upwards of a foot of snow. So getting to that time of year, and you can see there's shower activity all the way working its way into Arizona by Tucson and Phoenix. So this system is going to have plenty of moisture with it. So we do look for a pretty good soaking at some point this weekend. Right now we're still favoring Sunday night. That's Christmas Eve. So here we go with the high-level cirrus clouds across the area. They're thinner as you go farther to the north. That's where our temperatures will be coldest. Where they're thickest, that's where the temperatures will hold up a little bit. So let's take a look at this jet stream as we look at about 35,000 feet into the upper atmosphere. And here we have that subtropical jet kind of arching over us. And this doesn't generally mean rain, but it can bring in plenty of high clouds and maybe some light shower activity. That's what we think we're going to see as this moves on through. But then here comes our upper level low, and the low in the upper parts of the atmosphere will be up here, but what we see is the jet stream and the nose of the jet coming this way, and then winds turning that way. So we have divergence going on, and that's usually where you look for your rain. Generally, when you're looking at a jet stream, you look at the front left quadrant of the jet stream or the right rear quadrant. That would be down here on this side. So here we are on the flip side. This is Sunday. That's when we do expect a good chance of rain. There's going to be a secondary system, but it may manifest out in the Gulf of Mexico as we look at the rear entrance region of the jet stream, and that's going to be next Tuesday. So that means the weather is going to be unsettled going Sunday, Monday into Tuesday. Then it's going to settle in on some pretty chilly weather toward the end of next week, and you can see the Arctic high up here. This is going to be a pretty strong high pressure ridge, so we're going to see temperatures sharply colder as we get toward the end of next week. Near term, though, chilly overnight tonight with the high clouds across the area. Then for tomorrow, it's going to be cool, but it will be milder, mid to upper 60s. And again, you see those high clouds clearing out for a bit, and then as we head into Thursday, more high clouds to start the day, and then they thicken up as the day wears on. Temperatures upper 60s to near 70 on Thursday, and there you see the rain developing as we head into Friday morning. That will be spreading eastward, but just mostly light rain shower activity Friday. Rain chances really begin to pick up as we head into the deeper part of the weekend. Scattered showers around for Saturday. Then we get into Sunday. That's when we see rain, embedded thunderstorms. Not expecting severe weather, but we could get a pretty good soaking. And this is the Euro model. The Euro model wants to clear us out for Christmas Day, but maybe not quite. The GFS a little bit wetter, and there's that secondary system showing up for Tuesday. So again, it may play out a little bit differently. As for rainfall totals, here's the Euro, a ½ inch to an inch, but look, there's going to be spots that catch a couple of inches of rain and maybe a few hotter spots. So again, hard to estimate rainfall in El Nino winters. Typically, these winter weather storm systems in El Nino winters deliver more rain than what we advertise, but we'll say at least 1 to 2 as we go into Sunday night, and we'll refine that forecast in the days ahead. Mid-30s northern portions of Acadiana, lower 40s I-10 corridor on southward. Then for tomorrow, that nice warm up into the afternoon, we'll see readings getting into the mid to upper 60s across the board. So overnight tonight, a quiet night, chilly but not quite as cold. We'll go lower 40s in Lafayette, upper 30s 30s elsewhere, and then tomorrow upper 60s your high. Again, a nice day with that in and out cloud cover throughout the day. Into the 10-day forecast we go. Winter officially begins on the calendar Thursday night. There's your rain chances, scattered activity, and then the soaking for Christmas Eve, hopefully ending by Christmas morning. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.